Hello, my name is Kayla Mack, and today I'm going to be talking about why we should make recycling mandatory. Making recycling mandatory ensures that we have a better tomorrow. Recycling protects our wildlife habitats and prevents pollution. Today in my speech, I'm going to be focusing on three main points. The first one being that recycling prevents pollution in our water. Secondly, that recycling also prevents toxic air. And lastly, that recycling protects wildlife habitats and the animals within them. Recycling prevents toxic air. Take for an example the water bottles that you don't recycle. They end up becoming your air, which can become very toxic. By not throwing them into the recycling bin, they instead go to a landfill. A landfill is a place to dispose of waste materials by burying it in soil. These landfills may not be in your backyard, but yet the fumes created from this waste still go up into the air that you breathe. These fumes include hydrogen sulfide, methane, and carbon dioxide. These fumes can become very dangerous. Hydrogen sulfide has symptoms of headache, nausea, watery eyes, or airway problems typically seen in asthma patients. Methane is known for being very flammable. However, it also has symptoms of headache, nausea, similar to the hydrogen sulfide, dizziness, drowsiness, and heart palpitations, which means that your heart is beating rapidly or out of sequence. Recycling prevents pollution in our water. Water covers about 71% of Earth. By not recycling, you also pollute the water. Water is a necessity for all living things. When we pollute water, we also pollute our bodies. Every time we neglect to recycle, we contribute to the 2 million tons of human waste that is disposed of in bodies of water every single day, according to the United Nations World Water Assessment Program. By continuing this pattern, we're endangering our water supplies and the animals that live in the bodies of water as well. Recycling protects wildlife habitats and the animals within them. Recycling is a very important step when it comes to protecting our wildlife. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, harvesting virgin materials is environmentally costly. Now, nearly 4 billion trees, or 35% of the total trees cut around the world, are used in paper industries on every continent. That equates to 2.74 million trees cut down every day. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency also states that collecting raw materials every time to create a new product also uses large amounts of energy, fossil fuel, and also contributes to climate change. Scientists predict that climate change will cause higher water temperatures, which can lead to lower amounts of dissolved oxygen within our water sources, therefore endangering thousands of aquatic animals. In conclusion, recycling can create a better tomorrow by cleaning our air, water, and ensuring that our animals are safe for future generations. Next time you find yourself with an empty water bottle, be sure to think about the animals in water and air that you breathe. We want to maintain this for future generations so they can see the world that we live in now. So be sure to recycle every chance that you get. Thank you for listening, and I really hope that you benefited from my speech.